Scenarios are scripted commands that run in sequence to create a training exercise. To make a scenario, click the Scenario button on the control bar. Sample scenarios are provided with the demo load. These are useful as a reference for valid syntax or as a template that can be copied when making new scenarios. To create a new scenario, click New in the Scenario dialog. From here, the user can enter scenario commands manually or use the record feature. To enter commands manually, it can be useful to copy simulator actions from the log window, which can be accessed from the control bar to ensure correct syntax. Alternatively, the record feature tracks changes made to the simulation, such as inserted malfunctions, and adds them to the scenario automatically. Each line consists of a time interval and an expert command at minimum. When an interval is not specified, the command assumes a wait time interval of 0 and executes immediately upon conclusion of the previous command. In cases where multiple events, such as component malfunctions, are tied to an object, the user must also include T to specify type, D to specify delay time, R to specify ramp time, which is exclusive to analog malfunctions, and C to specify deactivation time. A semicolon marks the line as a comment. Scenarios can contain event triggers, TPRs, and even other scenarios. Once the scenario is done recording, the user can go back and manually edit time intervals, expert commands, and settings to customize the scenario. Activate the completed scenario using the Run button. Each step of the scenario is highlighted as it occurs. During the run, the user can pause and resume the scenario. An active counter is kept at the top menu bar of the scenario, and the scenario can also be aborted at any time. At any point during the run, the user can right-click a scenario line to view a menu of additional options. Multiple scenarios can be run simultaneously, and displayed in the Scenarios pane of the status bar. Clicking this pane while one or more scenarios is active displays the scenario summary dialog. This dialog allows the user to open selections, remove scenarios from the list, or pause and resume the scenario while the simulator is running.